Aldelo is pleased to announce our newest update for Aldelo Pro. We're calling it Aldelo Pro 2.0. It is available today on Aldelo.com. Take a look at what it does offer you. We have a totally updated graphical user interface. This now has a format that will go to the widescreen format that's found on most monitors today. When you boot up the software, you have a choice of 1024 by 768, 1366 by 768, or the current resolution. It does have new graphics, new icons that are available to you, as well as the same easy workflow that you're used to. Nothing has changed with regard to the workflows and the operation of the software. It is what you had before, so there's going to be no loss or degradation to you whatsoever. We've also eliminated the DRM, the licensing portion of the software. We now have reduced the software footprint, and it makes it easier to install. Less modules to install makes it easier for you. This is also going to reduce support calls. And of course, we're going to reduce piracy of the software. The current licenses will work with the new version, so there's no need to relicense the software. It's just a matter of doing the upgrades. And upgrades are really easy. You can update your existing clients at Aldelo.com. The customers who are on annual support get the update for free, as well as anyone who's processing with the Aldelo Pay merchant processing. So the inexpensive way to upgrade is if you have a customer who is not currently on annual support. All they have to do is process their credit cards with Aldelo Pay, and they will then bypass the support charge and get the upgrade for free, and of course ongoing support at no charge. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-801-6036 or visit us at Aldelo.com.